Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So I got another recipe for you guys, and it's a fast one. Super fast, super easy. Here's the ingredients. We got cooked shrimp, orange, Roman tomato, cucumber, avocados, limes, cilantro, jalapeno, pineapple juice, and then we got salt and pepper, and then I got clamato in the fridge. Rinse this with water. It's still kind of frozen in here. We'll rinse it with water a few times, and then I'll dump it in our container. I rinsed the shrimp. The shrimp is deveined, cleaned, and peeled. Alright guys, I knocked out most of the cucumbers. So this is what I'm doing. I really don't want the seeds in here. You can scoop it out with a spoon. This is the way I do it. I don't get all of it, but I get most of it. So I usually just cut around the seed or the seeds. So here all it is. You don't have to throw this away. I'm gonna keep that and eat that with tapatio and lemon. So I just come back to my strips, and I didn't take all the seeds out either. Just give it a quick mix. Damn. And at this moment, this is ready to eat. You guys can eat this immediately if you guys wanted to. But for me, I like to wait. I like to wait 2 hours, let it marinate, and then I'll dig into it. So let's go ahead and taste it. Second taste. You know what? It's good the way it is. I taste that orange. Comes through really nice. We're gonna add a little bit more of pineapple juice in there. Oh guys, this is bomb. Do it with the shrimp this time. Delicious, guys. Delicious. All right, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'll come back, and then we'll grub down. The moment I've been waiting for. Salud. Let's give this a try. Check it out. Let's go for the bite. Bomb, guys. Bomb. Always 2 bites. Just there. One more. Bomb. I highly recommend that you guys make this, because once again, I only paid 40 bucks, under 40 bucks for all this. And you know, if you go to the store, they're gonna charge you, or a restaurant, they're gonna charge you like 18 bucks or 15 bucks for a shrimp cocktail. And it's triple digit outside. So I'm kind of sweating, perspiring right here making the shrimp cocktail. Well, gracias and thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Go make this shrimp cocktail. Man, you can survive on this stuff on these hot days. It's refreshing, it's nice, and it's good. And for you new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and smash that like button. And gracias. And I'll see you guys next Friday.